Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, what is up? Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Jaywalking Diva. Thank you guys for tuning in. What is up? I'm Jaywalking Diva, but I will no longer be going by that name, guys. It is now Malice. But thank you guys for checking in. Guys, what is up? I am back with another YouTube video, and before we get started, anyone watching, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Hit that notification bell, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment on this video and past videos. If you haven't watched them, just go back and watch them in their entirety. All those small gestures help this channel to grow. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I'm struggling with that, so let's get me there sometime this year, hopefully, guys. Fingers crossed. So yes, today I'm back with another video for mail calls that I received today. I got 2 items. I hit one on the Sneakers app, and I also got one off of Nike. So yes, I will be unboxing these 2 items today. So without keeping you guys waiting any longer, let's get into my video. So first one, again, I'm not sure of the contents, but here's the box here. And this never works for me, believe it or not. Exactly. See, it doesn't even tear across all the way for me. I guess I'm just too excited. So we'll just go this route. Pull it up and over. All right. So this is the contents, guys. Here, red and black Nike box. I know what this is. 8.5 retro 1 box, we all know that. And here we have it, the Jordan retro 1 women's reverse Lany. It looks like the midsole here is sail. That's pretty cool. If it is, it already has that worn look on it. I like that. But yes, I hit this on sneakers, guys, and seeing that they're still sitting on shelves, that's probably why. I'm not sure why people are not copying this shoe, but it's a very nice look for me. I was hoping when they first talked about this shoe, I think later part of last year, I was crossing my fingers hoping that I could get this, and I did. So this is the Lany Women's Jordan Retro 1. Oh, reverse Lany, I'm sorry. And here comes with the yellow laces. You have your tissue insert, and it looks like the insole, sorry about that, is a light blue, like a faded blue. You have the Nike Air on there. It's the tissue paper. You have your red Nike Air down top of the tongue. You have your black embossed Jordan wings there. Your blue swoosh, yellow toe box, blue leather. Oh, feels pretty good. I might add, very soft and comfy. But yeah, solid yellow tongue. They do come with an extra set of laces, blue pair, as you guys can see here. Yes. And this is the right foot, which comes with the blue kind of patent leather hang tag with the Nike Air in red on it. Pretty cool. Very nice. And again, I'm very surprised that this is still sitting on the shelves. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Like, a lot of people are not buying the shoes. I'm still getting notification for sneaker events. So I hope, you know, with shoes sitting on shelves, it doesn't trickle down to people not coming to the sneaker events, because I really enjoy doing that for you guys and meeting different people, making friends and so forth. So I don't know, you guys comment down below if you have an idea what's going on as to why a lot of these hype shoes are sitting. Because, like, again, last year when this shoe was talked about, a lot of people wanted this shoe and they talked about how they must cop and so forth, and it's still sitting on the shelf. So Who knows? All right, guys, this is my second purchase. This one's from Nike. And let's just cut this one open here, shall we? Here we go. Nike. Size 8.5, women's 7s, men. Orange and white box. Pretty Nike shoe. And let's look at the content, shall we? Here we go. And here, guys, we have the women's Dunk Low Just Do It. And this is a shoe that I thought would sell out as well, but it did not. It is still sitting on the shelves and available on Nike. Some sizes have sold out. I think maybe 9.5 and smaller are still available. But I wear 8.5, so this is my pair. But I thought these were pretty cool. Not too sure about how I feel with this gold emblem here. It's pretty nice though. Oh, and they are different, if you guys could see. Here on the right foot, you have the basketball emblem with the Nike swoosh inside of it. And then on this one, you have another ball. I'm not sure what type of ball that is, but it does have the Nike swoosh. If you can see it, the grooves are different. Like you can actually see the little basketball grooves on this one. And this one's just a solid ball. There, no grooves, but it is very nice. Stands out. You have the stars on top of this one. And on this one, you just have some writing. Just do it. Can't make out what the other part says, but just do it. All right, so let's get into some of the details on this one. Inside here, you have the beetroot, maroon or burgundy, whichever you want to call it. You have the beetroot Nike swoosh there. Again, the gold emblem. Getting of the shoelace. You have a white leather toe box with sail leathering around it. It appears to be like a double swoosh here. You see like gray here, and then you have the sail, and then here you have Just Do It. I'm not sure what that indicates, but you have your 5 stars. So this is probably what's on the lacing here, which is the XX and 3. So yeah, then on the back you have the embroidered Nike written here, so that is embroidered. Very nice shoe. The leather feels pretty darn good on these. It's not that cheap plastic feeling leather. Okay, this is a good look for this shoe. And if you could see here, the tan here kind of has like a, I wouldn't say checkered, but like cross patching or something. Not patching, but just it has some texture here within the leather, if you guys can see that. It's pretty cool. And it's also the double swoosh inside here as well. So you have a gray and then sail on top. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see some other details. And inside you have the Just Do It with the 5 stars and the MMXX Roman number 3 as well on the insole there. And again, a nice shoe that is still available in stores and online. I'm not sure what's going on, but I really wanted this one. Glad I copped it because I got rid of my Next Nature that was similar to this color without that beetroot in it. So I was kind of happy to be able to cop this one. And this one is pretty nice. Let's see what's going on here with this gold. I don't see how you would take this off if you wanted to. If you guys could see in there, it's like within the stitching, so to speak. It's pretty cool. I don't see any Velcro or anything that will release that, or you can remove it. But I do know that the actual beetroot and white colorway of this one is coming out. So on this part, you're gonna have the beetroot coloring on here, and the rest of the shoe is gonna be white. I believe that one comes out this weekend, if I'm not mistaken, which is the 22nd, maybe 24th it drops, I'm not sure, but it comes out on one of those days. But yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. These are my 2 mail calls for today. Again, Dunk Low, Just Do It by Nike, and we have the reverse Lany retro one high for the women. Both shoes are women exclusive, so had to cop these. Again, surprise, they're sitting. But yes, that's pretty much it, guys. But thank you guys for tuning in. Again, I am Malice, also Jaywalking Diva. But yeah, it just seems something's weird going on with this sneaker game. I'm not sure. Like I said, you just see a lot of nice items sitting on shelves, still available online, like the where she was at, the True Blue Retro One High is still sitting. Restocked the Cherry 11s, or people call them the Gym Rat 11. They restocked that one today, and the blue suede one, and they're still on the sneakers app available. It's just, I don't know, but in a good way for me, I'm glad that's happening, because I can actually kind of get some things that I do want without having to worry about barters. So I guess that's kind of, I don't know, catch-22, so to speak. Kind of scary for resellers like myself, and also good for people that want shoes like myself. I go for the shoe that I like, not so much as hype. So yeah, but to each his own. But thank you guys for tuning in. Again, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Give me a thumbs up on this video, leave a comment. Any of those small gestures help this channel to grow. Thank you guys for tuning in. I am Jaywalking Diva. This is Malice YouTube, and you guys have a great one. Peace.